Welcome to the Centene Workbench Training Center video. In this tutorial, we are going to demonstrate how to access all training available to you in the training center, share a high-level overview and purpose of each type of training. Lastly, how to submit a support ticket for any issues or questions about the Centene Workbench Training Center. Let's get started. When you log into Centene Workbench, the main dashboard will appear. Here you can view alerts, widgets, and on the left panel a navigation menu. From the navigation menu, select Training. Note, if a red exclamation point appears, it indicates there is a required training that needs to be completed. Click on the drop-down arrow to view the different training types available. Notice there are 3 training types: required training, educational training, and Medicare certification. Note, access to the training types may vary based on role type. Let's begin with Medicare certification. Click to access WellCare Medicare certification vendors. Here you can connect with certification training vendors that WellCare accepts to complete training or view certification history. Important: you must access the training vendors through the links provided on this page to obtain accurate pricing and, more importantly, ensure WellCare receives your completed transcript records. Note, vendor availability may vary based on role type. Next is required training. Required training is training that must be completed. An example of a required training would be the WellCare Annual Certification Training. Click on Required Training. Listed here are the auto-assigned trainings. If a course has multiple subcourses, click on the drop-down arrow to view. Follow the instruction on this page to ensure all required training components are completed. Lastly is the educational training. Educational training is training that is not required. An example of educational training our Centene Workbench portal features training videos. Click Educational Training. As an example, listed here are trainings available for direct viewing or self-enrollment. If you encounter an issue or have a question about training, you can submit a ticket by accessing the Support Tickets menu. Click Support Ticket, then New Ticket. Here you will select System Support for the type in Centene Workbench Training Center as the subtype. Note, be as descriptive as possible in the ticket description field to assist in identification and resolution of the issues or question. You can also use the document upload feature if necessary. Click Create to submit the ticket. Thank you for watching the Centene Workbench Training Center video.